What is going on, YouTube? So, I'm just going to be making a quick video showing you guys my fuel setup that I'm going to be using on my K-Swap EG. It's a 95 Civic. I'm going to be throwing a K24 in there. And just to show you guys my fuel setup, I decided to go with a KMotor performance setup. This is the same, I guess, kind of like this. They probably got their idea from K-Tune, but it's a center feed fuel kit. So you get your fuel pressure regulator, and it does come with a oil filled gauge. Sadly, it doesn't come with anything other than this, so I'm gonna have to source my own screws to mount it onto my driver's side shock tower, whatever. And then also it comes with these pre-made lines with 6-amp fitting already. Obviously you can do these cheaper if you do it yourself, but it's always nice to have things pre-made and hopefully work. So I mean, they look good, fittings look good, they feel good. I don't know, but yeah, you get 3 lines, and then you get their fuel filter. It has the KMotor branding on there, and then you also get their fuel rail. This thing feels pretty nice. I don't really think it matters what kind of fuel rail you get. You could even use a stock one if you wanted to. This one that they sell, if you buy the fuel rail by itself, it's only like $50, and it feels pretty damn amazing. So I just don't see a point in dropping like, $160 or whatever for a K-Tune one, and it literally just looks like this, but with the K-Tune stamp on it. Anyway, I'm not knocking on K-Tune or anything. I'm just saying. And then you get the fitting, and then the 2 plugs, and that's pretty much it. So in total, I paid $286 shipped to my house. And what's funny is they sent these along with it. I'm not sure if these came on a car or if they just used OEM caps and sprayed on them, because on the back it says this, but in the front, I mean, what did Honda ever offer these for any Honda? Because I don't remember, and for sure they don't come packaged like this. I mean, this is like, fortune cookie packaging. So that kind of caught me off guard. I didn't pay for that. I think they sent it as a gift, which kind of caught me off guard because I had to double check to make sure that wasn't in my car, because I don't want that. I can't even use it. This is for like 17-inch wheels. So, but anyway, like I said, this is my fuel setup from KMotor Performance. I bought this with my own money, and I'm really just trying to make this video to let you guys know what I'm going with, and hopefully they work so I can give you guys some feedback. So definitely stay tuned. After I get this on my car, I'll let you guys know how everything goes, especially with this kit, and then I'll make more videos about other parts that I'm going to be using. And yeah, I'm trying to do something a little different, not use K-Tune parts, hybrid racing parts, but at the same time, if I have to, I will. But KMotor seems to be making some pretty good parts. I've heard a few people say they use their stuff and everything has been pretty good with them. So like I said, just stay tuned, and then whenever I get everything running, I'll just give you guys an update on it, and especially this thing, see how this thing holds up, because I'm not really worried about the lines or the fuel rail or anything like that. It's just, I think it's just something that if somebody were to make one and had the necessary equipment to do it, they'd probably be able to do it, and it would just look just like this and put their name on it or whatever. So like I said, the only thing I'm really worried about is this, and that's probably the only reason why it's cheaper, is because of the fuel pressure regulator. I mean, it feels good. It has a little bit of weight to it, but in the car world, that doesn't really mean anything. It can be 10 pounds or 1 pound. It doesn't matter. What matters is that it works and it stays working. So, like I said, I'll give you guys an update when everything's running. I hope you guys stay tuned. If you guys like the video, like it, subscribe, and just watch out for my new video. Thanks, guys.